is a tale of long ago. The land was full of dragons.
What's happening, guys? Welcome back into the M&J Incorporated house, and today we are here on the Stoner Degree cooking another meal. Let's get started. So today we'll be making a braised beef short rib. It's phenomenal, guys. You will love it. I guarantee it. Here we have the braised short rib. It looks pretty decent. Nothing that I wouldn't think is out of the blue. So we're going to take this, bring it over to the microwave, place it inside, and it's said to microwave this on high for about 4 to 6 minutes. So I'm going to go about 5 minutes, 30 seconds, and we just let that sit in there. Okay, guys, I will let you guys know when this is ready. So the beef short ribs are done, and now we have to let them sit for 2 or 3 minutes without the sauce in it. So I'm going to be bringing this over here, and we'll just be letting that cool off for 2 or 3 minutes. Extra step, it's stated on the packaging that we take these 2 packages and put them into the microwave for about 2 or 3 minutes. So I got this all into the bowl, and I'm going to bring this over to the microwave it for 2 or 3 minutes. So now that the sauce is done, I'm going to put this on the side to reheat the ribs. We're going to reheat them for 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Now that the short ribs are done, we can take them out and bring them over to the tray and serve them with some more sauce. What I prefer to do is just take a spoon, mix this up a little bit, and then just ladle some of this on there. Not to douse all of it with this sauce. There you have it, guys. The beef short rib. So guys, let's try some of this now and see how it is. Oh my god, guys, that's really good. We hope you like and share this video and follow us on Facebook.
When they were big and men did run, being on fire was not much fun. The villagers were a buffet, like stomachs groaned and moaned away. All you can eat and then some more. When beasts got full and left us alone, scattered